If you want to record sounds on Google Pixel 10, what you can do is go to the app drawer and you can try to find the Recorder app, which is a pre-installed app that you should have on your Google Pixel 10 by default. Once you find it, we can tap on it, of course, in order to open it. And if you go here for the first time, you'll need to grant some permissions, like for notifications and using the microphone, and so on and so forth. Once you see this screen, you can tap on this red button in order to start recording. And there we go. We can of course switch to speakers over here. We can also choose the language, and we can tap on this button over here in order to disable speaker labels if you don't want to use them. You can pause at any point and stop, as well as delete the recording. So if you press stop, then there we go. The recording is stopped and immediately saved. You can tap on the recording in order to of course return to it. You can create a summarization. You can summarize the recording. You can add to favorites. You can tap on these three dots in order to find more options. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.